Howdy. Today I'm going to be showing you how to update the firmware using our Samsung's mobile hotspot. So in your Samsung settings, make sure it's turned on. It shows you your Wi-Fi password down here. So once we've got that, let's go. This applies to the software as well, but today we're just doing the firmware. So we get out of Android Auto and we go back to Grom's operating system. We go into the support page. First thing we want to do is turn the Wi-Fi on. When we do that, it will warn us that we're breaking our Android Auto connection. It will fix itself up automatically after the firmware is done and the unit reboots. So don't worry too much about it. Okay, there's our Galaxy there. I've already put the Wi-Fi password in. Okay, so now it says it's connected. Down here, how to update our VLine, just drag it up a little bit. That's our software version, that's up to date. We won't be touching that today, 40. 60 is the firmware, that's what we're looking at. We'll check for updates. This also applies if you want to roll it back now. It's a new feature which is quite nifty. If you're going to roll it back, then we go for all versions. But today, we want to go to 64. It's a tiny, tiny little file. Download very quickly. And then, do we want to install 64? We hit yes. And it reboots. It will show you the new version numbers here. You might have to hit the audio button. Okay, so that's now on 64. And we're back in business, and Android Auto will connect again automatically. There it goes. Fabo, our updated VLine or VLite.